Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Education channel. In this video guys, I will make a small review about the Mina Protocol. A coin guys have a huge potential. Like you see guys, the Mina Protocol today have a rank of 75 on CoinMarketCap, which a price of 0.61, a market cap $530 million, and the volume guys of $86 million. The all-time low is 0.42 2 months ago, and the all-time high is $9.91 2 years ago. And the coin at this moment guys available on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and a lot of big exchanges. As you can see guys, the Mina coin today down 15%, but the volume guys up 120%. Mina guys is a layer 1 blockchain based on zero knowledge proofs with smart contracts written in TypeScript. It is the first cryptocurrency protocol with a succinct blockchain. Mina Protocol uses zero knowledge proofs to build a more ideal blockchain architecture. Early blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum guys accumulate data over time and are currently hundreds of gigabytes in size. As time goes on, their blockchains will continue to increase in size. The entire chain history is required in order to verify the current consensus state of this network. With Mina, the blockchain always remains a constant size, about 22 kilobytes, the size of a few tweets. It's possible to verify the current consensus state of the protocol using the one recursive 22 kilobyte zero knowledge proof. This means guys, participants can quickly update and verify the current consensus state of the network. Also guys, the Mina network is secured by proof of stake consensus called Ouroboros Samisica, based on the Cardano Ouroboros. Ouroboros Samisica is the proof of stake consensus mechanism that requires far less computing power than Bitcoin proof of work protocol. With the model of consensus, you don't need expensive and energy consuming mining equipment to participate in consensus. By simply holding Mina on your wallet, you can choose to either stake it themselves if running a block producing node, or they can delegate it to another node. Also guys, the block producers take the form of stakers or miners and earn block rewards on transaction fee payments. The protocol doesn't slash incentives that go to block producers. This category of participants allows Mina users to delegate their coins to them. Apart from building transactions into blocks, block producers also have to snag an equivalent number of previously committed traders as a failure to do so during block production would lead to incomplete blocks and other nodes rejecting their validity. If a block producer wants to incorporate 10 transactions on the chain, they must also snag trades from the front of the queue. However, they have the ability to produce the snark of USD generated by the special group of participants called snarkers. And for the community, they have almost 205,000 followers on their Twitter account, 32,000 members on their Discord, and just 13,000 members on their Reddit. So that's all guys for the Mina Protocol for today. As you can see, the coin today down 50%, which is huge. We almost guys hit the all-time low, which been happened only 2 months ago. So be careful guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.